Should you fill cracks in concrete immediately after noticing them, or wait for dry weather to get the best results? Moisture in and on concrete dramatically changes how sealants and patching compounds bond, so always plan repairs around dry conditions whenever possible. For hairline cracks less than 1/4 inch, use a flexible polymer-based sealant applied with a caulk gun after the surface has been dry for at least 24 hours and no rain is expected for another 24 hours. Press the sealant into the crack, tool it smooth with a gloved finger or a rounded tool, and allow full cure per manufacturer directions. For wider cracks, remove loose material with a wire brush and compressed air, then use a polymer-modified repair mortar or concrete patch. Dampen the crack slightly only if the manufacturer specifies a damp substrate, otherwise keep it dry to maximize adhesion. Always clean oil, mold, and efflorescence with an alkaline cleaner and rinse thoroughly, then let the surface dry completely before applying primers or bonding agents. Temperature matters too, so avoid working below 40 degrees Fahrenheit or above 90 degrees Fahrenheit unless the product is rated for those conditions, because extreme temperatures slow curing or cause premature skinning. If you must perform emergency temporary work in wet conditions, use quick-setting hydraulic cement for immediate water control, but plan a permanent dry weather repair later because hydraulic cement is brittle and does not flex with thermal movement. For joints or areas expecting movement, install backer rod size to 2/3 the joint width before sealing, and choose a sealant with at least 20% movement capability. People often try to seal wet or rain-soaked concrete thinking they are helping, which causes poor adhesion and early failure. Wait until the surface and internal moisture levels are low, and use a moisture meter on large slabs if you suspect trapped moisture. Another common mistake is skipping surface preparation and applying sealant over dirt, oil, or loose particles. Always clean and, if needed, abrade the crack edges so the material can bond to solid concrete. The third issue is choosing the wrong product for joint movement and environmental conditions. Match the repair material to the expected movement, exposure to chemicals, and temperature range, and follow the manufacturer cure times to avoid rework. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for projects like concrete repair and timing advice. Our site also helps contractors find work and connect with a community of homeowners and professionals in discussion forums where practical tips and real-world experiences are shared.